Hi everyone, this is Amit from The Best Nutrition, and this video is about arginine, a conditionally essential amino acid. Conditionally essential amino acid because it can be prepared by your body. If you're a healthy individual and eating right food, your body can prepare arginine. Otherwise, you can have it from the outside sources too. Arginine is a very important amino acid for energy because it is a precursor to nitric oxide. Athletes know that what is the importance of nitric oxide. Nitric oxide gives power to your muscle, so it helps you in your workouts. What it does, how nitric oxide is prepared in the body is when arginine is there in your body, it increases the blood flow. And in the blood vessels, endothelial membrane, the inside membrane of the blood vessels, the blood pushes against that wall, that membrane, and calcium permeates through that membrane and goes into the wall of the blood vessel, where nitric oxide synthase, an enzyme, reacts with arginine and produce nitric oxide. The nitric oxide increases the diameter of the blood vessels. So that's why it's called a vasodilator. It dilates the muscle vessel, the blood vessels, and more blood is pumped through the capillaries into the muscle, which needs oxygen. So blood is provided, the blood rich with oxygen and nutrient is provided towards the muscle, so your muscles have more power and you can work out better. All right, now this is the reason, this is the property, because which also helps in patients like angina patients, stable angina patients, and peripheral arterial disease patients, because it increases. They are given nitric glycerine tablets, which is actually nitric oxide, which converts into nitric oxide and dilate their blood vessels. And another benefit is it ameliorates sexual dysfunction, because peripheral arteries have more blood, so genitals get more blood, and sexual dysfunction can be ameliorated. How? The question is, does arginine increase the muscle cell or muscle weight? Muscle cells cannot be increased, but yes, size of the cell can be increased. How arginine help in growth, in muscle growth? Is it because of the blood flow? No, it is not because of the blood flow. Increased blood flow only gives you power. It does not give you muscle size, because when the blood flow increases, the amino acids from the muscle travel into the blood plasma, which is a protein degradation process. We need protein gradation, like protein building process. It only happens when there is less blood flow in your veins, in your blood vessels. Less amino acid will then, when there is low blood flow is low, especially when you're sleeping, the amino acids will travel into the muscle and it builds protein. So that's how, this is the thing. So muscle, it does not grow because of high blood flow. All right, how it builds muscle? There are two important factors related to arginine which increases your muscle size. One is that arginine is used by your liver to produce creatine. Creatine is a supplement that helps increase the muscle cell, helps increase the muscle growth, because it holds water. When your muscle is hydrated, it starts building, provided there are nutrients in it too. The more important factor how arginine helps increase the muscle is it works against a hormone that works against the growth hormone. Get it? So there is growth hormone and there is growth hormone inhibiting hormone. It suppresses growth hormone, GHIH. The chemical name of this hormone is somatostatin. So somatostatin, it actually acts on or interact with growth hormone and does not let it do its work. So when arginine is there in your body, it suppresses this hormone, somatostatin. So growth hormone is free to do its work. Alright? And when there is growth hormone in your body freely and it's working, your liver would release IGF-1, sorry. IGF is insulin like growth factor. It is a peptide. It is released in response of growth hormone. Alright? So IGF, insulin like growth factor IGF-1 is released and growth hormone is working and your body is building muscle. That's how arginine actually acts in building muscles. Of course, what are the sources? The best source is supplements, I would say. If you don't want to use supplements, you can always eat meat or nuts, legumes. These are the best sources of arginine. So that's all with this video. Thank you for watching.